Okay, so I do want to show you guys something that I personally struggled with whenever I was first making avatars. I don't like how whenever you use your gestures and it changes the face, sometimes I don't like the faces and expressions it makes. So I want to show you guys how to delete those because I couldn't find a video how to whenever I was struggling with it. Where is it? Okay, right here. So it's probably under options, and that should be for like Manuka and CO. I think they're all under options for that. What you're going to do is find out which ones you don't want. I don't want this one, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the remove shape key. Same thing with all of these, you're just going to go through and remove them all. See? Now whenever you do the triggered motion thing and VRCHAT, it won't show up that kind of way. So yeah.